Hello everyone, I'm Natasha and I chose year 1905 for influential moments for art. So this was the year of Albert Einstein. It was known as that because he brought a couple brilliant ideas to surface during this year. One was explanation of how to measure the size of molecules in a liquid, and another was how to determine their movement. Also, how light comes in packets known as photons, foundation of quantum physics. And then a very popular formula that we still use today in mathematics was the invention of the formula E equals mc squared. I feel like this probably had a lot of influence on art movements as well, just because they all kind of correlate and affect each other. So I'm sure, seeing the scientific revolutions and it inspired artists to, you know, do different styles or maybe the way they saw the world. Also, Pablo Picasso's transition from the blue period to the rose period. This was where it was a huge turning point in his career. He went from using cool blue colors and what he was known for to bright rosy colored paintings, like right here in Seated Female Nude. This is one he did in 1905. And it's pretty much he would focus on paintings where the characters were more anonymous and on the matrix of the person rather than just the person themselves. Sigmund Freud, three contributions to the theory of sex. So he wrote a book that was a huge revolution in the world of psychology. In this book, he focused on three main areas: sexual perversions, childhood sexuality, and puberty. I figured this probably affected art as well, maybe in what people were drawing in their art or painting in their art. And the first movie theater in the US, and it was called Nickelodeon. I figured that would definitely be inspiring because people are seeing things on the screen in a theater together for the first time, and maybe that would have inspired some artists. I thought it was interesting fact that the origin of the name, actually, like the root word, is nickel, which means 5 cents, and that's how much they charge to enter the theater. And then Odeon is a roofed over theater. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Like the word Nickelodeon actually means a 5 cent theater. And then Bloody Sunday Massacre. So this was a peaceful protest that had turned into a bloody massacre. The Assembly of Russian Working Men protested for desired reforms when over 100 of them were shot and killed by Grand Duke Vladimir. This sparked a revolution for peasants and the working class all over the world. I figured this definitely had to have had a pretty big impact on artists because they oftentimes portrayed society and what was going on during war times, hard times. And so this must have been one as well. And then just my references. So thank you for listening.